Benta Fall, I'm Jah T, I'm the best tour guide in town. Just take a tour when you come here with Jah T and you have the best day.
Awesom. Thank you, Mr. Jah T. That the Arawaks used to live in back in the day. This is coconut leaves on top of leaves on top of leaves, and it doesn't even leak. Can you believe that, guys? It is so amazing. Nature is so beautiful. Right about now, we're on our way to go follow Mr. Jah T. He's our wonderful tour guide. So we're actually at Benta Falls right now, and he's leading us down the pathway where it says bikers parking only. This almost looks like Benta River Falls, but just nicer. This is in the community where my parents and my aunties grew up, and so we're gonna go down the walkway, which almost looks like Benta River Falls again, but it's another hidden gem right in our community. Hi. What you eating? Neeseberry?
Star apple.
Star apple. Yes, Daddy. Awesome. All right, so look at. Yes, Mommy. Look at nature. Wow. Look at this. This is the same water that probably leads to Benta River Falls, right in the neck of our woods. People, Jamaica is such a beautiful place. We have to. Yes, yes. This is a beautiful place. People say God is not good, but God is here. God is alive and well, and He lives through us. He lives through nature. And I'm so honored and fortunate to have parents, to have family, to have a place that I can call home, to go back and experience life for what it really is. So without further ado, we're gonna go into the video and we're gonna show you how beautiful this place is.
And then they call it one Carbarita. We have some fish like shrimp, but they name Carbarita, so they call it the river Carbarita. So it's Benta or Carbarita and there's Carbarita. Yeah, and Carbarita is the widest river in Westmoreland. It's the only river that goes to the sea. So every river that comes from the mountain falls in Carbarita at some point.
Wow, Carbarita.
Carbarita takes you to the sea. So there's no more Benta, it's only one river now. Carbarita. Every water falls in Carbarita.
Carbarita.
Okay, walk up over here. All right, Bob. Hi, you can go that way. Hi.
It's on video, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the falls, people. Hey.